compared to the other one you drove?
Still amazing.
Yeah. What a lovely view.
Oh, dude. Bit of dirty brakes, but then again, Chris is a bit of a dirty boy, so
that's
yeah,
me.
that's actually that's what we do. Also, a very black car. Oh, it's one headlight is now working, but it's a track car and it's going also on the trailer, so it doesn't matter. Wow, had a quite interesting lap, very busy lap with lots of traffic, some very overexcited other drivers. To be fair, I was also quite excited to drive this car, and but that's sometimes what happens. Alfa Romeo Giulia QV, yes, Quadrifoglio, rebuilt by Chris Lakes, because that's your specialty.
I don't want to describe it as a specialty, but it's what I do.
Well,
pretty much.
That's your perk.
That's my thing. Yeah.
That's your thing. Yeah. So it was kind of dented here, and then you redented it.
Yeah, well.
You undented it.
Undented it now.
Undented.
Now.
Oh yeah.
The good thing is,
you did not redent it.
I've done a lap, you've done a lap, and nothing that I've done has fell off, or nothing at all for that matter, which...
Nice.
I mean, I call that a great success.
I think so too. You did a very good job. Job.
Thank you.
It is pretty much a stock car, right? Stock is doing it's not 510.
510.
Is it 510? So it is 510.
It is tuned.
It is. So it's
stage one.
Nice.
Uprated brake pads, lowered.
No,
that's about
resonated elite. So probably like 550-ish.
I think about that. Yeah, about 550.
No, it was nice. It's fantastic, and handling is also very good, even just with lowering springs. But maybe because it has carbon fiber mirrors, therefore the lower center point of gravity is much better, especially also with the carbon here in the front. It's really very much nice on turn. Notch is basically much nice, so yeah, it's very notch and turn-in. Cars on PS4S, stock with slightly upgraded pads, right?
Yeah, just EBC boost.
Yeah, something that is like very good in smoking and catching fire.
Smokes a little bit afterwards.
Also does catch fire, so brakes were on fire, but we managed to cool them down because yeah, we could go a bit for a drive. Anyway, I really enjoyed it. QV, for me, it's becoming one of my favorite chassis after driving one more in addition, and I would say I would really love to build one even, actually, because now feeling how they are driving, definitely over the F-Series for me. And light, majestic, beautiful.
Are you describing me or? Thank you.
Anyway, on that note, hope you guys enjoyed. No, you haven't enjoyed this video yet, so unless you're already gonna finish watching this intro. But there's a lap coming, so enjoy the lap, I would say.
This is my first ever dry lap with you, so let's see how it goes.
Yeah, well, just like my humor.
Is this one rolling?
Yes, all of them are. Okay.
I've got my fingers crossed this car survives.
Yeah, there is some vibration of the back axle coming out, but...
Lost a wall ball already. I've got it with my feet, don't worry. Wow. Nice low sun. Really good for visibility.
Yes.
You alright back there? Let's go, baby. It's greasy, isn't it? He's a nut job, right? Oh, Steezy. How's she feeling?
Very good.
Yeah?
Handling is amazing.
Okay, good. Would you say it's worth like $4.99 a ticket?
Yes.
That's perfect. And how's it compared to the other one you drove?
Still amazing.
Yeah?
dude. Behind us. What is he like doing qualifying lap?
Must
Honestly,
be.
no. This.
You
Wait.
tell him, Misha.
Like,
You
no,
tell him.
literally. Like, what the f they think?
He's got someone flashing him as well.
They
Now flash them.
no, they can get honestly. Those people, mate. Go book a track day. Go race.
I feel like my angle on this GoPro is really funny. I keep getting really close to it. How them brakes feeling?
Good.
Yeah? Oh, AMG GT with a massive wing. Get in, yes! Best car in the world, that. So how long is it going to be until you get rid of your G81 for one?
Until what?
You get rid of your G81
Oh,
for one of these.
yeah, I imagine.
That won't happen.
Traffic, traffic, traffic.
That's a lot of traffic there.
Yeah, so these boys with their flashing lights, look how far they've gotten away from us.
Not very at all.
No, hope their mommy is proud.
Bye bye GTR.
Why would you go on the brakes?
Surviving. Do you know my constant worry while we're doing this
What?
is knowing that I put this car back together.
Ah, you're fine.
Oh yes. Love an E92. Yeah, boy. Oh, Scooby ruined it.
No, it's fine. There are two more fast cars behind us, but they're just chilling. They're like maybe not being asshole about it.
Oh, now they are. Jesus. So many angry lappers.
I know. That's the fastest E36 of the ring.
Is it?
Yeah.
Still standard engine now? Or?
S54. So
Oh, okay, right.
46 M3. But I don't know. I'm not sure if it was him or someone else was building one with S58 maybe.
That'll be fast.
Yeah. Can you turn
Yeah,
the
boy!
heater on, please? Can you turn the heater on?
Oh
It's
yeah,
getting
sorry.
foggy.
I'm on it.
Thank you.
Hang on. Oh, yellow flag.
Unfortunately.
Gives the brakes a chance, and hopefully they're not smoking. They were smoking after my lap, weren't they?
Yeah. Oh, he spun.
Oh. Beautiful, Misha.
Very, very nice.
Has anyone ever told you what a great guy you are?
Thank you. I loved it.
That was
Very, very
good.
good. And now we're gonna enjoy the traffic jam back home.
Oh,